And I want to say to Safaricom and your partners, you're walking in the right direction.
Omokonyi bomorai bwense Rigathi Gachagua wananigo aganire ababwatani korwa ase ensemo y'oburemi kubwatirana n'eki serikali cy'eki county elikoeneki ngokinya bale ebirengo by'oburemi ase enseicho ya Kenya nigo aenekeri abalemi bechaye buna emichandeli bagwetera mbachikoeneki buna eserikali ya Kenya kwanza yanyarire ko bage kuyikora kurende nigo agani abambazeda abaya bali bago chiko choro koeneki buna banyare ko bakoligi echiro Enya.
I want to ask all those in the agricultural sector to be ready to pull up their socks so that they can work together with our government and the county government to increase productivity as we look for new markets. I want to confirm that we are going to have a paradigm shift in our foreign policy. All the ambassadors and the high commissioners who will be appointed by this new administration to serve in the various missions across the globe, 70% of their work will be to look for new markets for our agricultural produce while expanding the existing markets. I also want to confirm to our farmers in the tea subsector that the government will not allow anybody to destabilize the reforms and the stability that is going on in the tea subsector. The attempt by former directors to forcibly take over factories and the KTDA headquarters is the height of impunity, and the government will not allow impunity. We must allow the directors who are in office to continue executing their mandate and continue instituting reforms in the tea subsector and looking for